Good morning, children. Today I am going to take English grammar, class 5th, the third chapter. The third chapter is transformation of sentences. What is transformation? Transformation is changing one form to another. For example, if you say a exclamatory sentence, that can change to declarative. I'll tell you how. A sentence can be changed from one kind to another without changing its meaning. For example, exclamatory to declarative. An exclamatory sentence can be changed into a declarative sentence and vice versa. For example, what an amazing scenery! Exclamation. It is an amazing scenery. Declarative. Have you seen the difference? First one is having an exclamation mark and it's saying what an amazing scenery. It's exclamatory. Now you have to change it into declarative. How will you change it? By using the same words without changing its meaning. It is an amazing scenery. How beautiful she is! Exclamatory. See the exclamation mark? How beautiful she is. You are expressing what she is. She is very beautiful. Declarative. For example, declarative to interrogative. You know what is declarative? Declarative sentences are simple sentences and interrogative sentences are asking questions. Now you have to change the declarative sentence into questions. Declarative sentence can be changed into interrogative sentences and vice versa. For example, a declarative sentence can be changed into an interrogative sentence by putting a verb before the subject. For example, she is very kind. Declarative. Now you have to change it into interrogative. Make it a question. Is there? It will change into isn't. Isn't she very kind? Second one. I am in class 5th. Declarative. Aren't I in class 5th? Interrogative. Next. When a declarative sentence has two verbs, one helping and one main, it can change into an interrogative sentence by putting the subject between the two verbs. For example, she has finished her homework. Declarative. Now you have to change it. Hasn't she finished her homework? Interrogative. You are going to the fair. Declarative. Now change it into interrogative. Aren't you going to the fair? Next. I will meet you at the mall. Declarative. Won't I meet you at the mall? Interrogative. When an declarative sentence contains the adverb never, it becomes ever. Now whenever you see a sentence having never in it, you will change it into ever in the interrogative sentence. For example, I never asked you to do it. Did I ever ask you to do it? When a declarative sentence contains the adverb no, it becomes any. Now any sentence having no, it becomes any in the interrogative sentence. For example, there is no fun in doing that. Declarative. Is there any fun in doing that? Interrogative. Now I'll do some exercises with you. Exercise A. Change the following declarative sentence into interrogative sentences. Sheila is my best friend. Number 1. Isn't Sheila my best friend? Second. Rahul and Amit are going to school feast. Aren't Rahul and Amit going to the school fest? Third. My brother is in class 12th. Isn't my brother in class 12th? Fourth. He has finished practicing his music. Hasn't he finished practicing his music? Fifth. Fiona has stopped going out in this heat. Hasn't Fiona stopped going out in this heat? 6th, she never goes out when it rains. Ever she goes out when it rains? 7th, she is no fun when she is in a grumpy mood. Isn't she any fun when she is in a grumpy mood? 8th, Dinah is no fool that she will fall for your trick. I repeat again, Dinah is no fool that she will fall for your trick. Is Dinah any fool that she will fall for your trick? Now, coming to the next, imperative to interrogative. Imperative sentences are also sentences, simple sentences that you stop with a full stop. And interrogative is same, asking questions. An imperative sentence can be changed into interrogative sentence and vice versa. For example, stop talking. Will you stop talking? Please get me a glass of water. Will you get me a glass of water, please? Interrogative. Now we'll do the exercise and we'll come to know about the imperative to interrogative. Change the sentence as instructed. First one, come here. Change to interrogative. Will you come here? Second, is it a great victory? Change to interrogative. Is it a great victory? Third, stop talking. Change to interrogative. Will you stop talking? Fourth, will you get away from the pool? Change to imperative. Please get away from the pool. Fifth one, shut the door. Change to interrogative. Will you shut the door? Sixth, do not disturb me. Change to interrogative. Will you stop disturbing me? Seventh, what a beautiful view. Change to declarative. It is a beautiful view. Eighth, he has finished her. Sorry again, I repeat. Eighth one, has she finished her work? Change to declarative. She has finished her work. Ninth one, is she your friend? Change to declarative. She is your friend. You understand how to do transformation of sentences from exclamatory to declarative and then declarative to interrogative. Then read imperative to interrogative. After understanding that, do exercises A and B in your copies. Now, after I made you understand the chapter, you please read the chapter once again and understand transformation of sentences. From exclamatory to declarative, from declarative to interrogative, and from imperative to interrogative. After that, after understanding it, then do exercise A and exercise B in your copies neatly. If you don't understand and you have any confusion, just contact me on my personal number. God bless and goodbye for today. Be safe at home.